So in this video we're going to look through how you can go about getting some great sounding effects and music for your video completely free. And I think you'll be pleasantly surprised at how high the quality is in general. We're going to explore the top 7 websites for free sounds and then have a look through to see what we can find. These websites are an absolute treasure trove as you are building your sound effects library early on. And just one tip here, for sounds that you think are quite flexible, perhaps a hoot or a bell, download them.